Hi, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to add a realistic button which you can use anywhere on your website. Start by hitting F on your keyboard and click and drag to create a frame. You can use the right hand panel to adjust the width and the height. Perfect. To add text inside your button, double click in the frame and begin typing. Now let's link this button to another page in our site. Make sure that the frame is selected and come over here to link. Here you can add a custom URL or link to another page in your Framer project. You can also decide if you like to open it in a new tab or not. Finally, let's style this button. We have the frame selected, so let's scroll down to the Styles panel. Click on the fill to adjust the color of the background. You can also add a border's radius, and you can add a border if you like, or shadows if you like. Finally, let's style the text. Click on the text inside the frame. Come over here to the right hand panel and scroll down to the text. Here you can adjust the font, the weight, the color, and the size. Perfect. And there you have it, your first button on Framer. See you soon.